Hey guys, today I got a little different type of video for you. The throttle control broke off on this mower here. This is an older Montgomery Ward. You can see I tried to fix it before and it broke off down here on in there, so I'm just going to take this whole thing out and put this all metal one in I came off another mower we junked. So I'm going to try to figure out how to take this out. I think it snaps in like a kind of like how like a toggle switch does. If you look on the bottom right there, there's like a tab right there. You kind of press that in. And I'm going to try to do this off camera here because I can't get a good camera angle on it. I'm going to see how easy it is to come off, and we'll look at it after I get it off. Push that tab there and pull it up on there, and it's coming right out now. And over here in the motor, you just take a 5/16 nut driver or a straight screwdriver. Loosen your throttle clamp. I didn't mean to take that off, but nope. Probably had to anyway, the way it's got that plastic thing on there. And after you get that loose, just bend it out of the connector there and pull it out. And if you look, you have that Z bend right here, what I was talking about. That's what goes in that piece of plastic, how it holds it. This is what I was talking about, the piece I was pushing in there. It kind of just snaps in there. This is the first one I've ever seen like this. If you had a new one, it'd be real easy to put back in. But I'm putting a different type in, so I'm going to have to drill it. If you're putting a new one in, you just feed it back in like this. Get it like this. And you just push that in right there and it'll snap in. And you just hook that cable back up. But since I'm putting an all metal type in like this, I have to get these bolts out of it and figure out where I need to drill. Drill 2 holes in there like that. What I'm thinking about doing is taking this knob off of this. After I get the 2 holes drilled, just put this on the inside. That way all you see over here is just 2 bolts. I think that would look a little bit better. So I'll get right back to you after I get these 2 holes drilled on this. Well, I got the 2 holes drilled. I'd rather have them on this side, but if I'd done that, the throttle would have worked backwards than what it says here. I just did it like this. Now I'm going to feed this in from the back side. And I'll go ahead and put the 2 screws in it. And if you see that clip right there, it just kind of snaps in there. And to remove it, you just pull it out with a needle nose. Just grab a hold of it. At least that's the way I did it. Didn't have a problem. Then put this cap on there. And this part right here is done. And we'll go ahead and hook up the linkage on the motor. And to do this, just put that Z band right there like that. And set your throttle for idle. Push that down all the way. And get your clamp here. Get the bolt started so it lines up. And tighten it down. And we'll get that pretty tight so that cable can't slip. And then make sure it works. Everything's working on it. Now sometimes if you get a brand new cable, you'll have to cut this cable at this. You have to cut the outside of this housing that the cable's in. If you do that, you just kind of get a pair of side cutters and spread it apart, then snip it, then cut your cable to length, and you can get a pair of needle nose and bend that Z shape in there, then you'll have it back just like it was. Well guys, if you got any questions or comments, just leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So thanks for watching.